Charges go to how you like it now. Yeah, the spectacles to see for Spilla spectacles, and this my braces, a club to keep my teeth for. And look, there is a Club Robben Island. How do you like Club Robben Island? Now that you know, Yasser Mandela is all about the money. Just all about the money. Don't think it's funny. The funeral, the dollar sign. Can you see the haircut? This is my new haircut number two. I have all the equipment here. We have it all. You know, state row. It's so amazing what such things can do to get a team. It's amazing what such things can do. The jewelry, the wedding things, the ladies, she bang in the doom. Fear God. I see Bruce Lee, Chinese. Amen.